Welcome back in today's video, and in today's video we will be discussing about the latest news about Solana's top NFT project DGods and youth to migrate chains. So let me tell you what DGods is. So DGods is like the board API of Solana network. So it is the biggest project in Solana, and you can see it's like 1150 Solanas, and each is like $10. If you give a average, so it's like $11,500 per NFT right now, and it's like being traded. And so now they are moving to Ethereum. The gods, there are two projects. Okay, so there is an ecosystem of Solana's NFT in which DGods leads the market. So DGods is and Utes are in one ecosystem. So you take it as like DGods and its sister project Utes. So these are two biggest projects in Solana's and had a big hype around them. And yeah, so now they're moving into Ethereum, which is a great news for the God holder, because after they move it to Ethereum, the price is going to be according to the Ethereum, which is gonna be like 8 to 10 ETH per NFT. It can rise because it's you know now moving it to bigger chain Ethereum and Polygon, the other one to the Polygon. So let us like see more news into this. After months of speculation, DeGods and use top of Solana's NFT would be leaving Sol ecosystem, and the reason of them leaving the Sol ecosystem is like Solana has some issues, and its wallet gets hacked. Its blockchain it's not working on time. It has some FUD against after the FTX issue. So now they are gonna move to Ethereum and one to Polygon. So it was like it was expected, but in like 3 to 4 months ago, when Solana NFT just like the hype against Solana NFT dead, like was dead. And the DGods team asked Solana Foundation for 5 million to stay on Sol, but DGods team declined because it is not worth their time and worth their effort, because this is not what they're planning to build. And one of them has moved to Polygon, which is a really great news right now. So this is like the top news for today. We shared the daily news, and subscribe to Coin.